So get your surfboards out and get ready for another Southland.
Woke up today to everything gray, and all that I saw just kept going on and on. Sweep all the pieces under the bed. Close all the curtains and cover my head. And what you wish for won't come true. You want surprise love.
Alyssa, this is ridiculous.
Just a little is not what you want. Caught up in its trial, it won't change. Got a little, it keeps going on and on. Come out wherever you are. Would you do it all over right from the start? And what you wish for won't come true. You want surprise though. Once had this dream, crashed down in heart.
I want you to go give your dad a hug.
Why?
Because he'll be gone for his birthday.
We have a party for him while he's gone.
I hope you're showered and ready for school.
I never dreamed that I would let it go. And
Jane broke his closet.
what I deserve. Keep all the secrets
Speedy! Get out of there! No, wait! Stay there. Good boy. Right? Calm down. Calm down.